Today, I'd like to test my English, which I have stopped speaking and spreading in the media. And today's message is about how to bring back the climate change due to massive cutting down of trees, and as a result of climate change, many species of animals and birds are extinct, and now the government must act in this situation also. All round development is expected from Modi ji, our beloved Prime Minister. And the solution for this climate change is not only planting trees but also sanitizing the lake, oceans, and water bodies. In some time past, we can drink without boiling the water. Now, and there were vast water resources, and now we bought water. And if it is going on like this, water is the main essence of living beings all around. And this water can only be given by trees through precipitation, which include trees. Without trees, the water coming out from the pores of stomata as a residue of photosynthesis. And now such importance must be taken by the students. Such importance must be taken up by the students all over Manipur. And the government, related government, office such as forest conservation is must needed to bring down the required rain in the rainy season. So the children of the schools, both private and government, must be planting trees wherever needed, and the respective children must school children and the school staff must be full responsibility must take the full responsibility not to die what it is planted, and it will show that the number of students studying at that school. If the number of students is very low, then the government must dispose those schools, and government schools teachers are taking so much money than the private school teachers, but the private school teachers taught the student very sincerely than the government school teachers. So the government schools are now at the age of no students but walking behind using unfair means. Thank you.